You get to have a perch. That's all you get, cat. This is my attempt to please my cat overlord. Well, yeah, I get that it's company specific. I was specifically just wondering what people usually use when they watch Twitch. Oh, and there she blows. Back to... yeah. Ah, that's too high. There we go. Hello. No more cat perch. I've used up a lot of sand. I'm actually kind of surprised. I think I'll actually use up all the sand that I have. The Okinawan sand. I do wonder what the dark color sand of our beaches here would look like. I'm actually tempted. I might go down tomorrow to the beach, grab some to put into like a seashell or two. Okay, let me pop the boobles. Cool. All right. The data says that mobile is #1 for anything, but if you already have a desktop thing that works, many are reticent to do more than port the desktop thing. The system seems to prefer mobile if you have it installed, though. It didn't. Do you remember when I first started out streaming? The mobile app was shit. Liked the square thingies that appeared in recent work. Oh, yeah. The little, like, Sakura woodsy ones. I do like the ones that have, like, the multiple segments that I have to fill. Those are fun. What is my hair doing? Oh, dear. Look at that. This is me today, guys. Alright. I am so not going to finish putting the first layer on all of these before I need to skedaddle. Yep, I'm gonna need to make more blue. Deep sea blue. Yeah, I added a few things to the recent works to make it look more like the recent works. Because there was a lot of older stuff there. Like that. That's new. That's old. Will I make more of those? Maybe. I actually don't remember if I have the little ghosty guy. I should check. Definitely planning a Halloween release. And I will probably start working on them next month, actually. The setup for my workspace was much easier to do than I thought. So I'm confident in sitting down and doing resin and then packing it up end of the day and coming back and doing it again. The only thing I have to worry about, the only issue is this. If I leave it out, I just need to cover it and stuff. Oh god. Why did I do that? Gravity is my enemy sometimes. I was covering up some empty spots. Stand.